Start loading. The image shows an indoor setting with two dogs lying on the floor in the background, and a capybara walking on a green carpet in the foreground. There is also a fireplace and some furniture visible in the room. Start loading. The image shows a black and white dog and a capybara indoors on a green carpet. The capybara is nuzzling the dog, and they seem to be interacting playfully. There are some household items in the background, including a wooden chair and a fireplace.
Actually, we definitely want to.
Start loading. This image shows a screen from a video game, specifically the lobby area of Fortnite. There are 4 humanoid characters in different colors standing in the center. On the left side, there's a webcam view of a person. Game-related information is displayed at the bottom, including a section for matchmaking and squad details. Various buttons and options are visible at the top, such as play, locker, shop, and more.